What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are just tuning in or you're brand new to the channel, this is Tiffany, my S2K. We got Shadow, my Evo 9, and we have the Skyline. She doesn't have a name yet, so for now we'll just call her Godzilla. Make sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss out on anything that I do to the Evo, S2000, and the GTR. But anyways, today's video is going to be about keeping our windshields nice and clean. I drive through a dark road every single night to go to work, and it's very important for me to keep my windshield nice and clean so I can see. So today I'm going to show you guys how to protect your windshield and keep it nice and clean for as long as possible. To start off, you want to make sure your car is nice and clean. So I just washed mine, as you guys saw. She's nice and clean. What I'm going to be using is this glass cleaner I picked up at my detailing garage store. It works pretty good. It's a foam, so I'm just going to use that, spray it on the window, use a couple of shop rags, and just give the window a nice clean wipe. The windshield is nice and clean now, and you guys might be asking yourself, Shoo, you just washed the car, your window should be pretty clean. Well, yeah, it was clean, but I had to go over it with the glass cleaner just to make sure that the window is super clean. I'm gonna be using this Meguiar's clay bar. Sorry, chemical guys, I don't have one from you guys. Just gonna be using a little piece. You don't have to use the whole clay bar. So you guys have seen me do this before. Spray your windshield. I'm using nothing but water. And I know you guys are saying, well, you just cleaned your windshield twice and you're getting it dirty again. But I'll show you guys why. Just grab a little piece of clay bar and start cleaning your windshield with it. If it feels really sticky and doesn't want to slide too good, that's because your windshield is still dirty. The clay bar should be able to slide on its own, and you should feel the window with a smooth texture. This should get all that tree sap and all those bugs that end up on our windshields and make them look really nasty. This stuff will take it off right away. Just wipe down the window after. If you guys drop the clay bar, don't reuse it. It's sort of like a candy. Once it falls on the ground, you just throw it away. So there you are. The window is nice and clean now. So, time for the final step. Something that we always forget about are the windshield wipers. Those things are so dirty. So while you're at it, spray a little bit on your rag. Just give them a quick wipe. Alright, so you guys can see that I had already washed the car. It was nice and clean, and I still got some dirty stuff off. Now it's really clean. You can really go and do all your windows if you like. You can do the door windows, the rear window. You can even do your mirrors. But what I really need is the front windshield. All I need to see is through my window, make sure I see everything, and I don't run over something or go off a cliff, and it should be looking pretty clean. So the final step is going to be using this jet seal. It's pretty good. It's really pricey. This bottle alone, which is a 16-ounce bottle, was $40. They do offer a smaller size for about $9. So this is the stuff you guys want to use. A little bit on my pad. And I'll be applying it to the windshield. You really don't need a lot. Just a nice fine layer is good enough. Just make sure you get it all over the window. Spread it out nice and even. And so the reason you had to clean your windshield really good is because this stuff is going to protect everything that's underneath. And if you had anything that was dirty and this stuff was laid on top of it, good luck trying to get it out. It's pretty sunny right now. It should take about 10 minutes to dry. Let it bond to the glass. I'll let it dry, we'll buff it out, and the glass should be nice and clean.
2,000 years later.
Should be ready to buff out. There we go. Nice and clean. So now any bugs or any bird droppings that I might get, it'll be super clean to clean it. Even when it rains, water will just drip off. So there it is, the windshield's looking super clean. Let me show you guys from the inside. Look at that. I know everything looks a lot better in camera, but this really does look super clean. Yep. There you have it, guys. That's how you protect your windshield, and that's how you super clean it so it looks brand new. I really don't think it can get any cleaner than this. It looks super crystal clear, and I'm stoked to drive it tonight. That's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and go ahead and try it. You know, the product's super cheap. The most expensive part is probably gonna be the jet seal, but like I said, they sell little 4-ounce bottles. Go to your detailing store garage, pick up some jet seal, a clay bar, and some rags, and make your windshield look like this too. It really makes a difference. So remember to come back next week. I try to upload every Friday, so I have at least one video per week for you guys to watch. And I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.